So we want to be a talent magnet. You need to be a talent magnet because you want people to want to join your business, okay? And let's have a look at some of the strategies. It seems so simple, doesn't it? We just have to retain the best, check in regularly, and manage the best. In terms of retaining the best, let's have a look at what some of that might be. And part of this is a really early HR piece that I have to give you around is what happens when we recruit people. We are experts at recruiting people with the right experience and the right job skills, because that means they'll fit in and means we don't have to train them much on what they have to do. Have a look at what's easy to change and what's difficult to change. Job skills, work management, and knowledge are the easiest things to change. The hardest things is people's attitude, their habits, driven by their personality characteristics. So when we have really, let's go right back to your recruitment process, or even your performance management process, or your performance coaching process. If you are focused on their billable hours, their task completion, the accuracy of their work, you're focusing on their knowledge and their work management. If you start to expand that to include how they work with others, how they maximize their team performance, how they build relationships with customers or clients, you start to pick up things like